face.
It's not in your face. This is Get Rid of Hiccups, Part 2.
Part 2. Say part 2.
Part 2.
Part 2.
Part 2.
Say part 2.
Part 2? It's not even funny. It's a terrible movie, too, by the way. You fucking horse laugh?
I snorted, too.
Oh, God. Triple whammy.
Triple whammy.
Triple whammy?
Get out of my face a little bit. All right, go ahead. Help me.
All right, ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
E, F, G.
I feel like if I did it with a vengeance, it would go away.
Okay, fight it out. Fight it out. Fight those ABCs.
I, J, K,
Start over.
L,
Start over. Start over.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Y and Z.
No,
now I know my...
Y, Z. Oh.
Jesus Christ.
Oh.
Sing a song.
What song?
I don't know. Pick one. Belt it out.
I can't want to belt it out.
Belt it out.
I don't want to. Help me.
Okay. Do E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
Really? That's it?
Yeah, that's what you told me today.
So, do the E-I-E-I-E.
E-I-E-I-O.
What does a pig noise make? What the fuck was that? You just kick a dog?
Oink. Oh. It's not
Oink.
helping. It's not helping.
All right, what does a horse make? All right, what does a mouse make? Oh, that's actually pretty good, I think.
Yeah.
What does a snake do? Okay, I wish I had flash for that one. What does a cow do?
Moo.
Really? Is that like a scared cow?
No.
Give me a belt.
Moo.
Moo? Okay.
Yes. Oh. Oh. Oh, I thought it went away.
Thought that too for a second.
Yeah.
All right.
It's working.
Stupid questions.
Okay.
For 500.
All right.
All right. Who is the president of the United States of America?
Oh.
Osama bin Laden?
Obama.
Obama?
So
What's his first name?
Barack.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's his wife's name?
Oh, Michelle.
Is it?
Michelle Obama.
I don't know. I don't know. What are his kid's name?
I don't fucking know.
Bonquisha and fucking Janelle?
Janelle, Shanita.
Okay. Who is the mayor?
I don't know.
Who's the governor of New York?
I don't know. Come on, Pataki.
Pataki? That was worth it right there.
Cuomo?
Yeah, it's Cuomo.
Cuomo. Who's Pataki?
Who's Pataki?
Oh.
Can you spell Pataki?
P-A-T-A-C-K-I. Maybe no C.
No, because there's no C in there.
Okay.
Okay. Who's your favorite Rainbow Bright character?
I don't remember him.
Him?
And them.
Oh. Who's your favorite Care Bear?
The blue.
The blue one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take that. Who are the four?
Yes! Yes!
Who are the four?
It's gone.
It's gone?
It's gone.
It's gone.
Done.
High five.